This is my review of the Modes.The Auto Incline Treadmill. This thing's absolutely amazing. I'm going to show you why. I've been running through the features. You are never going to find a treadmill with this kind of value for what it does. First of all, you can pick it up, so it's very easy to move around or store. And basically to get that to come back down, you just kick that, and now it automatically is slowly sort of descending down with the hydraulics. Kind of guide it down a little bit. Yeah, it's slowly coming down. I'll fucking cut this shit. And then come over here. All right, so we got it down. All we do to lock that in place, there's this little key right here, goes right in this hole. And now this is not going to come up. So that locks it in place. Now, this treadmill is really nice. As you can see, you've got incline up and down buttons on the side. Also have your heart rate monitor there on this side. You have speed up and down. And obviously up here, we've got it programmable. You have several different programs that it can run on. And we basically are doing incline and speed. I'm going to go ahead, put this on to make sure it works. So that just makes it safer. So let's go ahead and start it. All right, and I'm going to show you how fast it can go. So I'm going to step on the sides. This thing's a beast, dude. This is a real treadmill at a fraction of the cost. This thing can go all the way up to 8.5 miles per hour. That is a very fast sprint that most people can't do. So that's very cool. This is my favorite part, though. The incline. This can take you all the way up to a 15% incline. And you can see it's automatically coming up. I'm going to dial that speed down so I can get on it. This thing is absolutely amazing. And I can feel that incline. Like, I do a lot of cardio with incline because you get much better calorie burn with it. Kind of like, it's almost like doing a hike. But this thing is absolutely amazing. Straight up, if you're serious about running, walking at an incline, you're not going to be able to find a better value than this. It was very easy to put together. You've got your heart rate here. Straight up, I think you need to get this.